Hi, today we are going to learn how to use the index and match functions for dynamic searches. I believe that once you master these functions, you won't need to learn the traditional lookup functions. The index function returns a value or reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular row and column in a given range. Its syntax includes the array, which is the range containing the values we are interested in, and the row number, which specifies the row within the array from which to retrieve the value. The column number is an optional argument. More specifically, the index function returns the value at the intersection of a specified row and column within a given range. For example, suppose we want to know the units sold for France equals index. First argument is array. This is the value that we are interested in, that is, units sold. We select the whole range. Comma. The next argument is the row number, where counting starts from 1. Since France is in row number 3, we enter 3 and then close the bracket. We obtain the right result. Now, let's move on to the match function. It returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. The goal here is to use the match function to determine the row number to be used in the index function. For example, let's use the match function to determine the relative position of France in this table. Equals match. First argument, lookup value. The value we are interested in knowing its position, that is, France. Comma. Next, specify the lookup array, which is the column range where France can be found. Comma. Match type. We want exact match, so we will select 0. Close bracket and press enter. It returns 3, which is the same as the row number we inserted in the index function. This shows that we can nest these two functions to create a dynamic search. Now, let's move to a real-life application and compare using the index match function versus traditional lookup functions. Here, we want to search for units sold for a country, such as the United Kingdom, from this table. We will combine the index and match function, just like the one over here. We use the match function to determine the column number for the index function. This is how it goes, equals index. For the array, we are interested in units sold, so we will select the entire range of units sold. Comma. For the row number, instead of entering the row number of United Kingdom, we will use the match function. Match. First argument, lookup value, which is the cell containing the country name for which we want to find the units sold. Comma. Lookup array is the range of cells where the lookup value, United Kingdom, is found. Comma. We want exact match, hence, 0, close bracket and press enter. Oops, we needed to close the second bracket. We have the right result. Let's try an alternative search method using the XLOOKUP function. Equals XLOOKUP. The first argument is the lookup value, which is the country we are looking for to find the units sold. United Kingdom, comma. Next is the lookup array, which is the range of cells where the lookup value can be found. Comma. The return array is the result we want to return, which is units sold. Comma. The if not found argument is optional. We can skip it with a comma or write not found in quotes. Comma. Select 0 for an exact match, as we do not want any other match. Close bracket and press Enter. We obtain the same result as with the index match function. At this point, both search methods are dynamic because we can change the country name to, for example, Italy, and the result will update automatically. Let's go to a higher level. In this example, the table contains units sold data for multiple years across various countries. We will use the index match function to search for units sold in Italy for the year 2020. Alternatively, we will try with the XLOOKUP function. Equals index. The array argument is the value of interest, which in this case is units sold. We select the entire range of cells containing this data. Comma. For row number, we use the match function. The lookup value is the country for which we are searching for its units sold. That is, Italy, comma. The lookup array is the range of cells in the table where the lookup value is located. Comma. We want exact match. Hence, 0. Close the bracket. Comma. Note that in this example, we have two criteria and we need to include the year dimension with the match function. The lookup value is the year 2020. Comma. Lookup array is the range of cells containing the lookup value. Comma. We want exact match, hence, 0. Close the brackets. It returns the exact result. Let's move to the lookup function as an alternative approach. Equals XLOOKUP. The lookup value, the cell containing the country, Italy, comma. The lookup array is the range of cells in the table where the lookup value is located. Comma. The return array is the result we want to return, which is units sold in year 2020. Therefore, we select entire column for the year 2020. Comma. Another comma to skip if not found argument. Select 0 for exact match. Close the bracket. It returns the same results like the index match function. If we change the country name to Russia, we notice that the search results update for each method. However, this is not the case when we change the year to 2021. Only the index match function approach updates its values. Thus, the index match function is more dynamic than traditional lookup functions. This is one of the many reasons why learning the index match function is important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.